what a cute cat. Oh my gosh. You're so pretty. You're so cute. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. Demigod Cena here. Today's video, obviously, as you can see from both the title and my face already, I did a Pride look. I did one last year, so I couldn't like skip out and not do one this year. I was just like, that would just be criminal. Literally criminal. Like, no. I don't remember if I actually posted it on YouTube or was it on TikTok, but I remember doing it, and I just wanted to, you know, post on here. Oh my god, why is she so cute back there? Like, oh my god. Oh my god. I also like, look at me. I look very cute, and she looks cute. But yeah, I wanted to just make a video for Pride, obviously. Happy Pride Month. And also the other day was June 18th, so like, turn up for that. I saw we got a statue, guys. It's an Afro pic. I'm kind of digging it though. Like, I'm actually vibing with it. Like, I remember having one of those as a kid with like the little fist on the end of the Afro pic, and I'm just like, I vibe with that. I like that. I actually do. I guess Pluto's making an exit. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna stop talking. I didn't want this to be too long, so my camera is literally about to die. The battery keeps cutting off. Anyways, I was going to say that I hope all of you guys are having a lovely summer. You guys are staying safe. You guys are staying hydrated. It is hot as the Medusa's booty out here, okay? You guys stay safe, and I'll check you the next time I post a video.
in your touch. I'm taking all my hats off today. Let my head down, 'cause I got time tonight. Oh, so assumed it, so you know I'm up tonight, love. I'm wide awake, waking up so hard all in the morning. Sunrise bleeding in along the carpet. Body language telling you something. All I want is you. I really love it. Waking up so hard all in the morning. Sunrise bleeding in. Body language telling you something, girl.
Taking them coins, taking that change, taking that money, taking that bank, taking them coins, taking that change, taking that money, taking that bank. Tell me where you slide to when the life gets high. Who you try when the rent due? Tell me who you ride to. When your chips get low, who you drive to, cry to. Tell me where the base at. Where the folks with the bag with the cash in the case at. Tell me where the wealth at. I'ma try to stealth that. Tell me cause I want it bad. Show me dollar signs. I wanna see the funds. I wanna see the bankroll. Take me to the stash. Take me to the bars. Hand me all the paper. Show me that investment plan. How you making gains in the altcoin lands. Show me all the big boy bands. How you flipping houses with beachfront sand. Show me all the compound boys. Money making money, new day, new brands. Tell me where that wealth at. I'ma try to melt that. Tell me cause I want it bad. Show me dollar signs. Show me. Can I be your main chick? I can be the one you taking planes with. Can I be your sidekick? Be the one you out committing crime with. Can I be your favorite? Taking all your secrets, getting married. We can take over the globe. I got your back inside your throat. Take me to the sky. Show me dollar signs. Show me. Show me dollar signs. 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 Take me to the moon, the stars, the sky, the moon. Show me dollar signs. Show me. Let me in your world, I could be a boo. Take me on a date, book a private cruise. Buy a purse or two, maybe get some shoes. But it's up to you, got nothing to lose. Take me to the moon, the stars, the sky.